I think that they all went to the Café Royal, because I know that my grandmother went to the Café Royal. And the story is that somebody said to her, "How old are you, Mrs. Adler?" My grandmother. And she said, "I'm 50. And he said, "Well, Mrs. Adler, you can't be 50. You have a son who's 50. And she said, "He has his life and I have mine." So, and my grandmother, somebody said to her, "You know, Mrs. Adler, you should let your hair go. Don't dye your hair red. You should let it go, let it go, let it be natural." And she said, if God made us natural, wanted us to be natural, he would have made us green. So she had a sense of humor.